I've been playing golf since the year 2005. Some of the milestones that I've experienced that I've accomplished in my golfing career has been that I was a vice golf captain in the year 2012. 2013 I became the golf captain here at the Kitale club, and the subsequent 2 years, 2014, 2015, I served as the golf chairman of this club. My golfing has been okay, although ups and downs. Sometimes you are good, other times you are not, but I've been quite very consistent in my playing as far as winning tournaments is concerned. All I need to do, or what I want to do, is to make my normal practice more frequent, polish my short game and all other departments, and I think I should be able to give a good account of myself.